Open the box carefully. Everything is packaged neatly. It feels robust. The manual says wash with warm water and soap. The heat element is sturdy. The metal frame is a little flimsy, but I think it's good enough. Like and subscribe to my channel. It has a magnetic safety plug, so you won't end up medium rare, ha ha ha. The cord is 64 centimeters short. The handle can be trusted. There is a maximum and minimum mark in the fryer. Manual says don't mix oils. I poured 3 1-liter bottles, so 3 liters total. This is where it vents. Manual says for frying turn temperature all the way. Temperature should be all the way down before you plug it in. I did it wrong. It will preheat until the light turn green, 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to peel them. Light turned green. I can't see through the glass, so I open it to check each time. The handle is not hot. Took about 5 minutes to cook. Finally, perfect fried potatoes, no wasted oil. Till next meal.